hey, you got a hot date or you're getting ready to do an interview with the boss and you need to learn how to iron your shirt. So let's get started. So hopefully you can see everything. Just pulled this out of the dryer, and what you're going to need is you're going to need your iron, and hopefully it has a reservoir for some water. I fill it up a little bit over halfway, and then on here I keep it to steam. So there's a dial that can go really hot, and there are different levels, some for cotton, some for polyester, but I always go to the steam because my shirts are typically made out of cotton. So hopefully you can see everything. Let's move that back. We'll flatten that out on your ironing board, and we're just gonna do the buttons like so. See that steam coming out? We want that to get rid of all of the wrinkles. Okay. Now be careful, you gotta have a place to set so you don't burn yourself. So then we're gonna inch this down like so, onto the back. Straighten it out, make it taut. And then sometimes you get some bugaboos on there, and you want to get the bugaboos, the hairs, the lint, whatever, off of there. Alright. Now we're going to continue on to this first side here. Now this is all the basic stuff. Once I get done with this, then I'll go ahead and teach you like the little top secret stuff. So. You don't have to go too fast. You definitely don't want to go too slow because you don't want to risk burning it, especially if it's like delicate or polyester, that kind of stuff, because it burn easy. All right. So then go to the front side, like so. Okay, so here's one of the secret tips. We're going to grab and pinch right above there, that seam, so we can find a straight line. And there. And then we lay it flat down, like so. And what we want is we want this crease right here. Don't have to go all the way down because it's kind of retarded to see a big old line all the way down. We just have to have it about right here. So now we have a nice crease, perfect, just like that. And then we're going to do it on the other side. So right here, we're going to pinch right on top of that seam. It gives us a flat area, like so. Now, flatten it out. And remember, we're only doing the top half. We have to iron the bottom half unless you see wrinkles down there, like down in here. Because what's going to happen is the back side, see that wrinkle right there? Now we have to worry about that. So that's typically why I only have to do the top part. But since we messed up, go ahead and take care of that. That's why we have steam. See? Easy peasy. Okay, so on the other end of this, is where we get the collar. That's the important part. We want to make sure that this collar is nice and flat right on that seam. So that way when we button it up, it doesn't flare out. It's very important. So if your steam isn't working, you can get a little bit of this. This is, what the hell is this called? Starch. I rarely use starch, but if you need it, there you go. And you don't want to do it too heavy because then it'll start like caking up on you. It'll look like you have snow all over your shirt. But that starch, oh yeah, I'm getting a nice crease right there. And I'll do the other side because I want it nice and tight right there. You all see that? Right there. Just a spritz. Don't want heavy starch. Oh yeah, there we go. And then we'll do the back side. I don't even need to starch it. Okay, so that looks pretty good. All right, this is the finished product. Not too bad. Nice and straight, flat. You know, you have a little bit of a crease right here. And the biggest thing is this collar right here is nice and straight. So all of this is nice and flat, looking good. Now here's the key. Most people, including myself, I like to roll up my sleeves. And it gives the impression that you're a friendly guy and you're ready to roll up your sleeves to help people out. Now if you're wearing a jacket, obviously you're just going to keep your sleeves down. But typically I just wear the dress shirt with a vest. I'll just roll them up like that. And then that's nice and relaxed. And then I go about my day. So there you go.